did it. You willingly did it. Hallelujah. You willingly did it. You willingly did it. Then you have to beg me to do stuff for you. But you willingly did that for me. Then you have to beg me, tell me 400 times, will you just do something for me? But you willingly did it. Lord, forgive me when I don't willingly do stuff for you. Forgive me when I don't willingly pray. Forgive me when I don't willingly read my word. Forgive me when I don't willingly come to church. Forgive me when I don't willingly treat my children right. When I don't willingly treat my husband right. Forgive